Civil services preparation just got smarter with maps on self-study. Experience highly interactive maps, your first step to long-term visual learning. Whether it's protected areas in environment and ecology like tiger reserves and national parks, empires and kingdoms with their rulers in history, or India's international relations, or subject-specific current affairs and geological features, everything comes alive with interactive maps. Self-study maps, the first of its kind for civil service aspirants, because when you see it, you remember it. Anyone, anytime, anywhere.
A major tax concern emerged on 6 December 2025 as the United States proposed a new interpretation of the India-US Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement. This move could deny treaty benefits to individuals classified as non-resident but not ordinarily resident in India, increasing US taxes on dividends, interest, and capital gains. RNOR is a transitional residency status for Indians returning after long stays abroad. During the RNOR period, their foreign income is not taxed in India, while only Indian-sourced income is taxable. To qualify as RNOR, stay 120 to 182 days in India in the current year, be a non-resident for 9 of the previous 10 years, stay 729 days in India in the past 7 years. Citing OECD commentary, the US argues RNORs are not Indian tax residents since India doesn't tax their global income. This may raise US tax rates, for example, dividends taxed at 30% instead of 15 to 25%, affecting tax planning for returning professionals and remote workers.